Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, it's April the 14th, 2022, and you are looking at celery. Now, I planted these celery seeds a long time ago, last year, and they just seem to grow extremely slow in this climate with these conditions, but hey, they are growing, so that is a great sign. I didn't know if it was possible here in Florida, but it's showing to be possible. We're basically right on the border of zone 9B 10A here in Florida. So if you're trying to grow these, just know that it is actually a possibility. Stay tuned, because we obviously have to monitor this going forward and determine whether or not we can get a viable yield out of the celery in the future here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out a lot. Have a good day.